Dito guys, ang una nating pipitasin ay si Angela.
Nice.
In the most glorious family we have a dark side.
Launch attack! Has been slain.
Robed, I'm Duke Paxley. Cloaked, I'm Blader Aemon. People regard me as an impalpable shadow.
Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Understood.
Si Angela ulit pipitasin natin. Favorite eh.
Slain an enemy.
Dito naman bigla akong dinalaw ni Granger. Kaya lang bigla siyang natunaw rin sa mapa.
Oh my God! Wow!
Dito naman sirain natin yung torre nila.
I'm your guide to the underworld.
Dito naman pitasin natin si Leslie at Angela.
Ang galing mo, Andoy! Ang galing!
Biglang bumakap si Granger. Muntik ko na siyang mapitas. Tumakbo sa torre.
Our turret has
On the battlefield, noble blood won't give you a second
been.
life.
Keep an eye on the map.
Si Leslie bigla ditong dumalaw. Kaso bigla ding nawala sa mapa.
Sinasaludoan kita. Hey!
Dito pipitasin ko uli si Granger. Makulit eh.
Sana all.
Robed, I'm Duke Paxley. Cloaked.
One hit ulti para kay Leslie. Nawala sa mapa.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Si Leslie ulit. Biglang nawala sa mapa.
Ang lakas oh!
Request backup. Understood.
Life.
Request backup.
Dito naman guys, kukunin namin yung Lord.
Galing ha?
Of the rest.
Ganyan may kayabangan to.
Tolerance is betrayal.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Dito guys, triple kill. Pipitasin natin si Granger, Camus at Angela. Kaso namatay din tayo.
Oh my God! Wow!
What's the relief?
Request backup.
Dito naman guys, mali yung nabili kong item. Pero napitas natin si Vexana.
People regard me as an impalpable shadow.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na! It's a prank!
Charan!